Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I made this easy simple cheesecake. And if you like cheesecake like I do, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed, and let's get started. So to get started with this recipe, we are going to go ahead and crush our graham crackers, as you guys can see me over here. So my food processor could not fit all the graham crackers, so I did it twice. So after crushing, I added some more graham crackers. And then we continued processing the graham crackers. So after you are done, you want to make sure that you set them aside. And the next thing that you are going to do is go ahead and mix everything with butter. So in this empty bowl, guys, I'm just adding all the crushed ingredients, and we are going to go ahead and add our butter in there. And this is melted butter. So after adding our butter, we are going to go ahead and give this a good mix. So guys, for everything that I'm using in this video, I'm going to leave everything in the description below so you can know, the measurements and everything that I used. So after combining our graham crackers and our butter, we are going to go ahead and pour our ingredients in a pan. So at the bottom of this pan, guys, I added some parchment paper, and to make it stick, I added a little bit butter, then parchment paper next. So the next thing that I'm doing over here is pressing down all the ingredients to make sure they fit to the pan. And we are going to go ahead and bake it for about 8 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. So while our graham crackers are getting baked, we're going to make the cheesecake filling. And so this is cream cheese plus sugar, and we want to make sure that we blend it for about 5 minutes before we continue adding other ingredients. So after blending for 5 minutes, you want to go ahead and add in your 4 large eggs, and I'm going to add in some 2 egg yolks as well. After adding in our egg yolks, we are going to go ahead and add in some lemon juice, and the next ingredient is going to be vanilla extracts. And then we are adding in some heavy cream. And after mixing it, we're going to go ahead and add in some baking flour, and you continue mixing everything. So our last ingredient is going to be our lemon zest. And this time, you want to go ahead and mix it with a spatula. So after giving it a good mix, you want to go ahead and pour all your ingredients in a pan, as you guys can see over here. So the next thing that I'm doing, guys, is adding a foil paper at the bottom of my pan, as you guys can see over here. So I did not have a water bath for the cheesecake like, most people do. So I came up with my own idea, which was to put some water in, a pan, and that way you can steam the cheesecake and help it cook a little bit better. So this is what I did over here. So the baking time for this cheesecake was an hour at 325 Fahrenheit. And after that hour was over, I let the cheesecake sit in the oven for an extra hour. So after cooling down your cheesecake, you want to go ahead and put it in the fridge or freezer for about 4 hours. But I went ahead and did it for 24 hours, and this is how it came out. So right over here, I'm just adding some lemon zest. This part is not necessary. I just wanted to add some. And this is how the cheesecake looks like. And one little tip about the cheesecake, when you are baking it for that hour, if it's not, really good in the middle, you have to check the middle for wobbliness. And if it's too wobbly, you can add an extra 15 minutes just in case. And then after that, you can just let it sit an extra hour in the oven. So thank you guys for subscribing, for watching this channel, and for commenting. I hope you guys like this video, and please give it a thumbs up and share. So I will see you next time when I make something else. Bye.